Ayaw niyong, asan yung charger? Yung tablet, nauubos ang. Kaya mo na. Volume nga. Okay. Okay. Good evening, guys. Dito. Good evening, guys. Pa-share po ng live. May dumadaan na tricycle. Masarap po ng pinto. Pa-share ng live, guys. Pasensya na kayo, guys, ha. Ngayon lang uli ako nag-live. Medyo busy kasi ang lola nyo. Ano to, guys? Paano basa nito? Lakin? Ayan, nawala. Ayan, Lakindenum. Latenis. Wala na. Ayan, good evening. Ang hirap naman basahin ang name niya. Ayan, Si Lakindanum. Hi, good evening. Pa-share po ng live, guys. Guys, patanggal ng volume nyo, ha. Ayan, may sound kayo. Patanggal ng sound nyo, guys, ha. Nadidinig ko kayo. MJ Palma is watching. Sabi nila Kindanum, request Baby Jane songs. Yun nga po gusto ko man kantahin yung mga song ko dati. Hinahanap ko pa po yung mga -1 niya. Hayaan niyo po, hahanapin ko po yung dati naming mga -1. Yung karaoke niya. Kakantahin ko po yung mga kanta ko po nung bata pa ako. Ayan. Pa-share ng live, guys. Okay. Pa-wait lang sandali, guys, ha. Okay? Okay na dyan? Okay na dyan? Sige, start tayo.
Hey, you!
Get into my car!
Who me?
Yes, you.
Get into my car. Who's that lady coming down the road? Who's that lady? Who's that woman walking to my door? What's the score? I'll be the sun, shine on you. Hey, Cinderella, step in your shoes. I'll be your non-stop lover. Get it while you can. Your non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you. Get into my car. Lady driver, let me take a wheel. Smooth operator, touch my bumper. Let's make a deal, make it real. Like a road runner coming after you, just like a hero out of the blue. I'll be your non-stop lover. Get it while you can. The non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you. Get into my car.
Get in the bag. Get on the track. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey, hey.
I'll be the sun, shine on you. Hey, Cinderella, step in your shoes. I'll be your non-stop lover. Get it while you can. Your non-stop miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my, get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you. Get into my head. You. Get into my head. You. Get into my car. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan. Good evening, guys. Ayan, watching Rodel Riola, Josh Andes, ano yan? Jessie Leisico, ayan, Julie Pearl Dominguez, Yana Andes, Andy Andes, Imelda de Jesus, Kevin Bisuyan, Mikey de Jesus. Hi, Kevin! Kamusta, nak? Miss na miss ka na namin. Anak, paano nga? Pabak ng konti. Nahihilo lola nyo. Yeah! Thank you so much. Parang ako naduduling. Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi ako nakapag-live last Saturday. Medyo busy kasi ang lola nyo. May mga inasikaso. Ngayon naman po late. Sorry din po na late. Medyo busy lang talaga ang lola nyo. Ayan. Game. Natsumi de la Rosa is watching. Hi, Nak! Ang aking anak-anak na napakaganda. Ayan. Sandali lang guys, pipindot lang ako, ha? Ayan po, may dumadaan pong tricycle. Ayan. May dumaan pong tricycle. Ang init po. Masyado po mainit. Wala pong ano po. Pakilagyan po. Again guys, para sa inyong lahat. Sana po magustuhan niyo yung mga song ngayong gabi.
Napagod mag-jogging?
Ayan, hindi ko po matatanggal na yan. Yan, commercial. Kinemi na
Perfect
yan.
smile is the one you
Pasensya na po
don't hold
kayo.
back. Colgate Optic White O2. Feel the warmth.
Hey lady, you lady, cursing at your life. You're a discontented mother and a regimented wife. I've no doubt you dream about the things you'll never do, but I wish someone had to talk to me like I wanna talk to you. Ooh, I've been to Georgia and California and anywhere I could run. Took that hand of a preacher man and we made love in the sun. But I run out of places and friendly faces because I have to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. Please, lady, don't just walk away, 'cause I have this need to tell you why I'm all alone today. I can see so much of me still living in your eyes. Want to share a part of a weary heart that has to live a million lives. Ooh, I've been to meet in the island of Greece when I sip champagne on air. I move like Harlow and Monte Carlo and show them what I've got. I've been undressed by kings and I've seen something that a woman ain't supposed to see. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. To crying for unborn children that might have made me complete. I took the sweet life and never knew I'd be bitter from the sweet. I spent my life exploring the subtle roaring that cost too much to be free. I've been to paradise, but I've never been to me. I've been to paradise, never been to me. I've been to paradise, never been to me. Ayan guys, patayin ko lang. Elenita Bong Santos is watching. Good evening sis. And Adi Trevino is watching. Hi Ate Adi, thank you so much. And magigreet muna po ako ng birthday. Ayan. Belated happy birthday po kay Risa Hipolito Esmeria. Happy birthday and advance happy birthday po kay Edmond Joseph. Ayan. Wala ba tayong nalalampasan? Guys, mag-backgrid kayo ha. Hi! Rosemary Rumitman. Hi, Tita Rose. Thank you. Ayan po ang aming Darno sa stage. Ayan. William Bauyon is watching. Ano pa? Okay. Ayan. Sige, wait lang. Wait lang guys ha. Magbibindot lang ako. Ayan na. Ngawit ka. Ganda ng tagahawak sa baba.
Gising na!
Ayan.
Sa sarap
Hindi ko
ng
talaga
gising
matagal
na!
yan guys eh.
Fill your morning!
Again guys, para sa inyong lahat. Please don't let this feeling end. It's everything I am, everything I wanna be. I can see what's mine now, finding out what's true since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Now I can take the time, I can see my life as it comes up, shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in a storm we'll find some light, knowing you're beside me, I'm alright. Please don't let this feeling end. It might not come again, and I want to remember how it feels to touch you, how I feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. And now I do believe that even in a storm we'll find some light, knowing you're beside me. I'm alright. Now I can take the time, I can sing my life as it comes up, shining now, reaching out to touch you. I can feel so much since I found you, looking through the eyes of love. Thank you. Ayan, wait lang po Ano daw? Hi, Lovey May! Lovey May is watching. Ano daw? Ano sabi ni Bo? Ano sabi niya? Katatapos ko lang ligo habang nasa banyo. Wow! Ano daw? Basahin na lang. Anong ginagawa mo sa banyo? Gusto ko makakita ng multo. Hindi ko malapit daw. Wow! May nangangalabit sa'yo dyan. Ano ba yan? Wow! Ayan guys, wait lang ha. Baka may nalalampasan ako. Sa mga nagpapa-shoutout po na hindi po agad na sa shoutout, pasensya na po kayo. Kasi po, pag nagsunod-sunod po kasi ang mga nagwo-watch, natatabunan po. So, kung mahahabol po na aking mga angels yan, masya-shoutout po kayo. Wait lang po. Kagaya po nito. Ayan. Buti nakita ko si Lovey May. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Ano to? Claridades. Ayan. Baay? Tama ba, guys? Claridades. Baay? Asama kasi yung salamin ko. Pahirapan daw ba eh. May salamin naman eh. Ayan. Kagaya po niyan. Diba? Kailangan po mag-i-scroll tayo. Scroll back. Army. Army Claridades Baay. Oh, diba? Good evening po. Ayan. Itong si Bong. Alam nyo guys, siguro next time hahanapin ko yung mga song namin ng daddy ko. Hanapin ko siya kung makakakuha tayo ng karaoke, pwede ko siya makanta. Kagaya na lang nung nire-request niya na kanta ko nung bata pa ako. Try ko pong hanapin. Ayan. Wait lang po guys. Okay. Again guys, para sa inyo lahat, sana po nagugustuhan niyo po yung mga kanta ngayong gabi. Wait lang po.
They tell me that I'm too old to do stunts, but with Anli...
Alam nyo guys, hindi ko talaga matatanggal yan eh. Yung commercial na yan. There are nights when I can help but cry, and I wonder why you have to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love not ours to have, I'll let it go with your goodbye. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love would never end, but if this love not ours to have, I'll let it go with your goodbye. Yun, guys. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Ayan, Henry De Gia is watching. Hi, Henry. Thank you so much. Amy De Jesus. Kas, advance happy birthday, Ate Emmy. Ang aking pinsan, Amy De Jesus. Happy birthday. Ayan. Ano daw? Sa Ate Emmy? Anong ano niya? Friend of mine? Sige, try ko Ate Emmy ha. Di ba friends of mine? Alam ko friends of mine. Sige, try natin Ate Emmy. Sandali naman, sisindot lang ako. Mahirap man sisindot eh. Yan. Friends of mine. Alam ko, nakanta ko to. Nakanta ko na ba to, guys? Kapain na lang natin. Ayan. Odette Quesada. Tama ba, guys? Sige, try ko Ate Emmy, ha?
Ang chunky asado siopaw.
And I saw it. Ah, okay, siopaw. When I tasted it, oh, siopaw.
Sinking
all my life. You are a friend of mine. No, this is how it's gonna be. I love you then and I love you still. You're a friend of mine. Now, friends are all could be. You tell me things I'll never know. I've shown you love you've never shown. But then again, when you cry, I'm always at your side. You tell me about the love you had. I listen very eagerly, but deep inside you'll never see this feeling of emptiness. It makes me feel sad, but then again, I'm glad. Sana kilikili. Yan! Ang liliit kasi Ano daw? Aray? Sabi ni Henry de Gia, tanong lang ako, mag-chat ba sa'yo? Ano daw? Tanong lang ako, mag-chat ba sa'yo si... Ano to, right? TV para ma-interview ka? Sabi ni Henry. Henry, chat ka na lang sa ano ba tawag doon? Messenger. Yan. Para magkatsikahan tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much, Lovey May. Carmi Joseph is watching. Leslie Enriquez is watching. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan. Eric Dagkuta is watching. Hi, anak. Kamusta na? Ingat ka palagi sa biyahe. Thank you so much. Guys, pengi naman pamunas. Basa na kilikili ko, guys. Alam nyo, guys, ang init-init talaga. Hindi siya tag-ulan. Diba, dapat ang month na to tag-ulan. Pero hindi siya tag-ulan. Napakainit po talaga. Okay, sige. Shout out po, guys. Shout out po kay Kapitan Ruben Serrano ng Katanghalan, Ubando, Bulacan. And Kapitan Randy Miranda ng Barangay Pag-asa, Ubando, Bulacan. At sa lahat po ng mga taga Ubando, Bulacan. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. And hello to all the members of All for God Worship Center ng Naparing Dinalupihan, Bataan from Sister Mel. At sa lahat po ng mga taga Naparing Bataan, good evening po sa inyong lahat, sa mga lolo ko, lola ko, mga pinsan ko dyan. Good evening po. And good evening din po kay Kapitana Telma Endong Mangubat ng Naparing Bataan at kay Secretary Cora Castro at kay Miss Daisy De Jesus ng Naparing Bataan. Ayan, thank you so much po. And hi pala sa mga taga-Pitong Gatang. Good evening. Ayan. Sige, mag-backread na lang kayo guys ha. Para... Ayan. Para mahabol natin yung iba. Yes? Yan! Ganyan! Basa na kilikili ng lola nyo, mainit ba? Ayan. Ano ba ang handa ni Ate Emmy? Ayan, meron pa. Meron tayo, baka tayo pagalitan. Ayan. Ano yan? Kud buds. Badoy Raya. Ayan. Vilma Palileo is watching. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Wait lang. Yung pumapasok ni Techewa. Sandali lang, guys, ha. Ayan. Ayan, puro naman tayo, magsaya-saya naman tayo ng konti. Ayan. Magsaya-saya naman tayo ng konti. Hop! Again, guys, para sa inyong lahat. Kung na lang kayang tagapatay. Ayan. Thank you. When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you'd here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, darling, with all your might. When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you here beside me, here to stay my whole life through. You're the one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might. Thank you so much. Ayan. Wait. Ayan, Lisel Jimenez is watching. Joy Cabrales is watching. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much sa panonood. Wala tayong nalalampasan, guys, ha. Pa-backgrade na lang, ha. Yes. Wait lang. Ayan guys, Heavenly First Death Anniversary to the mother of Marisa Casildo on August 21. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you so much, Henry de Gia. Wait lang guys ha. Ayan. Kasi kailangan kong magbura. Kasi baka mapindot na naman ang lola nyo, magdoble-doble na naman. Diba? Kasi minsan nagdodoblet siya talaga eh. Ayan, magtagalog song naman tayo, guys. Ayan. Para sa inyo lahat, guys.
Burger not heavy hitter. Fuck those best ever quarter pounder.
Yung nadidinig nyo, guys, ano yan ang ventilador.
100% beef all over.
Ang pag-ibig ay sadyang ganyan. Tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Dati mong pag-ibig wala kong pakialam. Basta't mahal kita kailan pa man. Huwag kang mag-isip ng ano pa man. Mga paliwanag mo'y di na kailangan. At kahit ano pa ang iyong nakaraan, mamahalin kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Mahal kita pagkat mahal kita. Iniisip nila hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita maging sino ka man. Sana'y wala nang wakas. Kung pag-ibig ay wagas, paglalambing sa iyong piling ay ligaya kung walang kahambing. Kung di malimot ng tadhana, bigyan kitang iibigin. Kahit na ilang tinig ay kaya kong tapakan, kung iyan ang paraan upang landas mo'y masundan. Kahit ilang ulit ako'y iyong saktan, hindi kita maaring iwanan. Kahit ilang awit ay aking awitin, hanggang ang himig ko'y maging himig mo na rin. Kahit ilang dagat ang dapat tawirin, higit pa riyan ang aking gagawin. Kung minsan ang pangarap habang buhay itong hinahanap, bakit nga ba nakapagtataka pag ito ay nakamtan mo na? Bakit may kulang pa? Mga bituin aking narating, ngunit langit ko pa rin ang iyong piling. Kapag tayong dalawa'y nag-iisa, kahit na ilang laksang bituin, di kayang pantayan ating ningning. Balutin mo ako ng hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Hayaang matakpan ang kinang na di magtatagal. Mabuti pa kaya'y maging bituing walang ningning, kung kapalit nito'y walang baglahong pagtingin. Itago mo ako sa lilim ng iyong pagmamahal. Limutin ang mapaglarong kinang ng tagumpay. Sa piling mo ngayon, ako'y bituing walang ningning, nagkukubli sa liwanag ng ating pag-ibig. Pasensya na kayo guys, nakikisabay yung aking mga alagang aso. Meron pa dito nagwawala, suplada. Ayan, Roselia Avila is watching. Tonya De Luna, Jeng Del Rosario is watching. Thank you so much guys. Nakikisabay yung mga aso ko talaga, pasensya na kayo guys. Ayan guys, wait lang ha. Tayo ay ayan. Wait lang guys ha. Nabanggit na ba natin to? Joy Cabrales? Okay. Kasi baka tayo ay magkalampas-lampas. Okay. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo guys ha. Ayan, di ba nauna pa sa akin kumanta guys? Again guys, para sa inyong lahat. Hi, Tita Celia! Love, love will keep us together. Think of me, babe, whenever. Some sweet talking girls come along, singing a song. Don't mess around, you just gotta be strong to stop. 'Cause I really love you, stop. I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. You belong to me now. Ain't gonna set you free now. When those girls start hanging around, talking me down, here with your heart and you won't hear a sound. Just stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Whatever. Young and beautiful, but someday your look will be gone. When the others turn you on, who'll be turning you on? I will be there to share forever. Love will keep us together. I said it before and I'll say it again. While others pretend, I need you now when I need you then. To stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Whatever. I will. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. You better stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Whatever. I will. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Ayan, Cherilyn Bautista Galban is watching. Hi, Ate Cherry. Thank you so much. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Ang ano kasi pumapasok sa mic. Ayan. O, di ba? Ano na lang? Kasi pumapasok sa mic eh. Hayaan nyo na, may pamunas naman lola nyo. Paano nung, Hi guys! Thank you so much pala sa inyong lahat. Lalong-lalo na yung aking mga FB friends. Thank you so much po sa support nyo sa akin. Sa panonood nyo po every Saturday, 8:30 po ng gabi. Yun nga lang po ngayon, na-late ang lola nyo. Pasensya na po. Ayan. Sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe, like and follow, paki-like, share, subscribe, at follow po ang aking YouTube channel, FB page, Reels, TikTok, at ang aming pong bagong, channel po na BJ Andit TV. Ayan. Thank you so much sa aking mga followers. And paki-follow na din po ang aking FB na Baby Janie Tarzan. Ayan. Thank you so much. And pati na rin po yung aking FB page. Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. And walang sawa po ang sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat po. At sa akin po mga bagong followers, sa mga bago ko pong friends sa Facebook, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, wait lang po guys ha. Ayan. Ayan. Mrs. Lilian Ramos Tabora is watching. Good evening po. Ayan. Ay. Sabi ko sa'yo, susutay mo muna.
Everyday low price. Shop 99 pesos and below. Everyday low.
Sabi ko sa'yo.
Sinking.
Wherever you go, wherever you may wander in your life, surely you know I'll always wanna be there, holding your hand and standing to catch you when you fall, saying you're true in everything you do. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Watching you grow and going through the changes in your life. That's how I know I'll always wanna be there. Whenever you feel you need a friend to lean on, here I am. Whenever you call, you know I'll be there. Let me be there in your morning. Let me be there in your night. Let me change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. Change whatever's wrong and make it right. Let me take you to that wonderland that only two can share. All I ask you is let me be there. All I ask you is let me be there. Thank you so much. Ayan. Christian San Jose is watching. Thank you so much. Baha-baha. Ayan. Na ano ko na yan, di ba? Ayan. Again, guys. O, di ba? Nasabi ko sa inyo, di ba nauuna pa yung aking alaga kumanta? Gusto niya ako kasi mag-live. Alam niyo ho, ang mga alaga ko, mahilig din hong kumanta. Ayun pa isa, diba? Mga ano ho yan, pag kumakanta ho talaga ako, nakikisabay sila. Kaya pasensya na po kayo. Diba? Ayaw po nilang tumigil. Diba? Diba? Ayaw talaga nilang tumigil. Ayan, paki-hold. Tayo ay magpipindot muna, guys. Ayan. Ayan, ayaw. Pasensya na kayo, guys, ha? Ano nga ba yun? Ayan. Ito po dinededicate ko po sa mga nagmamahal dyan. Ayan. Alam ko po, alam niyo itong kanta na to eh. Ayan. Di ba? Nakita niyo, nauna pa sa akin.
Subukan ang kapeng-kapeng sarap at aroma ng Nescafe Original.
Ayan, hindi ko po talaga kasi matatanggal yung commercial. Bigla na lang po siya sumusulpot. Long and lasting, not many people find it, but those who do, their whole love through, put their heart and soul behind it. A long and lasting love, a long and lasting, it's what I always dream. And when I look into your eyes, I knew I'm really seeing love, a long and lasting love. I never thought that I would meet someone so beautiful. Never thought I'd see love like this. Tonight I'll show you that our love is something beautiful. And until it won't again, a long and lasting, we share for many reasons, a special bond that goes beyond the changing of the season. Long and lasting love, a long and lasting, someone I can care for, someone to be there for the rest of my life. A long and lasting love. I never thought that I would meet someone so beautiful. Never thought I'd see love like this. Tonight I'll show you sakto, dumaan ang tricycle. Malin Panergo is watching. Hi, Ate Malin. So guys, kailan ang next natin? Guys, 26. So guys, magkita-kita po tayo ulit sa August 26. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng nanood ngayon, sa aking mga FB friends, sa aking mga bagong friends. Maraming salamat po sa palagi niyo pong suportang panonood dito po sa FB Live ko. Thank you so much. And thank you so much din po sa aking mga angels na lagi pong tumutulong sa akin. Ayan, sila po ang naghahabol ng mga pa-shout out. Thank you so much, angels. Mga naliligo sa pawis ang aking mga angels. And thank you din po sa aking partner, Andy Andes. And of course, thank you po sa aking mother. And also, hindi po natin dapat kalimutan. Thank you po kay Lord na lagi pong gumagabay sa amin. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. And thank you, everyone. See you on... Ayan, tingnan mo, nisindot mo kasi. Meron po kasing aligaga ditong angel kong isa Hindi ko po malaman kung bakit ba. Masyado po siyang aligaga. Thank you so much, guys. See you on August 26.